What's up, guys? It's Zach with Priority up in Houlton, Maine. Doing a little work around our lot today. I have to put some forks on this tractor. I figured I'd show you just how easy the Kioti quick attach system is. First, you go around front and release your pins. Next, you'll hop in your tractor and tilt your bucket forward just a little bit. And back right on out. Look at that. So easy, even the salesperson looks like a pro. When you're ready for your next implement, you'll pull up to it. You want to leave that bucket forward tilted just a little bit. Slide on up. Grab right there. You want to lift it off the ground just a little bit. Walk it in. Flip your pins. And there you go. The Kioti Quick Attach system is truly the easiest on the market and available at Priority.